I did not just get one. I got one. I got two. I got, guess what time it is, y'all? I know I am super excited. It is Natural Hair Black Friday shopping haul. Yay! Okay, so I know I said I wasn't going to be doing any shopping this Black Friday. Did I say that? But yes, I did some shopping. It really wasn't that much, but today's the day that we are going to go over all the goodies that I was able to get my hands on this Black Friday. So if you are interested, keep on watching. But if this is our first time meeting, welcome. My name is Nessa. I hope you stay a while. Do me a favor, don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see here on the channel. Now let's do it. All right, so let's get this party started. So I'm very excited. We're gonna go over all the products, but when I did my Black Friday recommendations video, I know I mentioned that I wasn't planning on getting a whole lot for Black Friday, and I wasn't planning on trying out any new products or any new brands. Just wanted to kind of like stock up on a few products that I felt like I needed, and I feel like I kind of like kept my word. You know, I guess you guys will be the judge when you see what I purchased for Black Friday. But I also tell you how much money I ended up spending and also what kind of discounts I ended up getting. So let's get started. So first brand or first products that I got for Black Friday, I went to EcoSlay, okay? I wanted to stock up on Jello Shot because you guys know I really love this gel. I feel like it does my hair very, very well. So I just had to. I went ahead and I got me another 16-ounce pouch. Only got the pouch. They give you the option of getting a jar as well, just to kind of like put it in there. And I feel like it's a lot more user friendly than just using the pouch, because I mean, that's, you know, this is difficult, right? So I already have that one, so I didn't purchase that. And I was also curious about the orange marmalade. Is it marmalade or marmalade? You know what? English is my third language, so orange marmalade, we'll go with that. All right, okay, cool. So I know this gel does not have as much hold as this one, but I was still curious about it and see if this is something that I would actually like. This one is made with flaxseed and aloe vera. Is this the same for this one? I really don't know, but anyways, hopefully I like it. I mean, I got the 16-ounce. Maybe I should have gotten the 8-ounce, but you know, I felt like if I'm gonna do it, just do it all the way. You know, I was getting a discount, and for that one I opted to get the jar that goes with that as well. It says EcoSlay on it. I mean, quite honestly, I'm sure you can get this jar on Amazon or Michael's, Target, one of those places. It probably would be cheaper, but whatever. It was just like whatever. So all together, let's see how much I ended up spending on EcoSlay for Black Friday. Okay, so Jello Shot was $24. I think that's the original price for it, $24. And then orange marmalade was $34. That's because it included the jar. So total for both of those together would be $58. And I got a 30% discount off of it. I actually got this exactly on Black Friday. So I got 30% off. And that ended up being $17. So it took out $17.40, which made the total $40.60, and with shipping it ended up being $48.66. So that's how much I ended up spending on EcoSlay for Black Friday. Again, I hope I like this one because I feel like I'm kind of stuck with it, okay? Now, the next brand that I purchased from, that was pretty much me restocking as well, and this is one of my favorite brands, you already know. We are talking about Mish Beauty, all right? That was my biggest purchase, and I got the most stuff from them because I do use a lot of stuff from Mish Beauty. My hair really likes their cleansing and conditioning products. I've said that multiple times, but as far as the styling products, I feel like they don't really do my hair well. So the first one I got was Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. I am running out of that one, so I figured let's get one of those. I got an 8-ounce. They do have the option of getting 8-ounce, and I think they have a 16-ounce as well. I didn't feel like I needed a 16-ounce because, you know, I can kind of use other leave-in conditioners throughout the year. It's not going to, you know, I'm not going to use it that quickly, okay? So the next one I got is the Prime Smoothing and Detangling Conditioner. I like this stuff. I don't use that many conditioners on my hair, but this is one of the conditioners that I feel like my hair actually likes. And I ran through this one very quickly. I think I said that when I was doing the product empties, because this one was part of the empties. I ran through this one very quickly. So I figured, you know, this was worth me purchasing it again. This is my second bottle of this thing that I'm buying here. It has a lot of slip. It makes detangling very easy. So I felt like it was definitely worth my coins this Black Friday. Okay. And then, okay, so let me go over the ones that you actually already know. Indulge. I had to get me Indulge. You guys know, I think that's one of the first dip conditioners that I actually fell in love with. My hair fell in love with. And no matter what, I feel like I always have a container in here, whether I use it a lot or I don't, because this year I have been experimenting with a lot of other dip conditioners. So I feel like it didn't really get that much play. I think I probably went over or used only one container this year. So this is my second container, and this is probably going to last me a while. I went with the 16 ounce instead of the 8 ounce, so I don't have to reorder the dip conditioner that quickly. So yes, we got us some Indulge. Now, the items from Mish Beauty that I am most excited about, okay? Some of you probably already know what I'm talking about. Some of you probably don't if this is your first time watching me, but let me show you, okay? Yes. I'm so excited that Mish Beauty decided to bring back warm sugar cookie. I mean, I was waiting on it. I feel like when they first brought it out, I tried it, my hair loved it, and they decided not to bring it out again. They brought out every other limited edition, but this one, I don't know why, but this year they brought it out again, and I'm super excited. I mean, oh, this thing smells like cookie for real. Like, it's like grandma is cooking in the kitchen. Well, in my case, me baking some cookies in the kitchen, but it smells so good. And my hair really, really loved this dip conditioner when I first tried it. So I did not just get one. I got one, I got two, I got three. So I really, really, really did decide to stock up on that one. And I was still thinking about getting more of these, but I'm like, no, I don't think you really need that many more, because those are not the only dip conditioners that you're going to be using throughout the year. There will be other dip conditioners. So I'm sure I can make 3 work. Now, the funny, not so funny thing would be that I tried this on my hair again and my hair ends up not liking it. I don't think that's funny at all, but let's not put that out in the universe. But yes, I ended up getting 3 of these and I'm super excited. I'm super excited about the purchase. And then the last thing I have here, I'll show it to you, but it's not mine. It's the peaches and cream. My hair didn't like peaches and cream, so I wasn't really excited to even get it, but this is for a friend of mine. This was part of my order, so that is why we are showing this. Now, let's pull up the phone. Okay, so as far as how much, you know what? It's not showing me the discount here. Oh, they did not sell out yet. I'm looking at Mish Beauty's website. I thought those dip conditioners would have sold out already, but apparently not. I'm very surprised. Anyway, so Mish Beauty, if you are part of their text group, they sent you a text like a few hours or a couple of hours, or was it 1 hour? I don't even know. They sent you a text earlier than everybody else to let you know that the sale was available, so you got early access, and you know your sis had to sign up for that. So at 5 o'clock, I was ready to shop. Like, nobody could tell me nothing. I was ready, okay? So I ended up buying my stuff at 5 o'clock on Thanksgiving. I was on the road going to, what do you call it? Key West? Yeah, it doesn't matter. But anyway, so I ended up getting my stuff early on. So let's take a look at the prices here. I mean, their discount was like up to 35%. So it's not necessarily that you get 35%. It was up to 35% off. I kind of feel like Mish Beauty doesn't really care about like giving you like discounts, because I feel like they got it like that. It's like, it's the confidence for me, okay? When it comes to Mish Beauty, I feel like they know that whatever they drop, whenever they drop it, people will just flock to the website and just get stuff, and they will sell out pretty quick. So they don't really, care about giving you that big of a discount. But I mean, I guess up to 35% is not bad. It is better than nothing, right? Okay, yes. So, all right. So as far as the Prime Smoothing Detangling Conditioner, so the original price on that one is $20 for 8 ounces, and I ended up paying $13 for it. So you save $7 there. I mean, definitely not bad. I can't really complain about that. And as far as what Lavish Leave-In Conditioner, let's see about that one. So Lavish Leave-In Conditioner, the 8 ounce here is $18, and I ended up paying $11.70. And if we're talking about Indulge dip conditioner, the 16 ounce for Indulge is $38, and I ended up paying $26. You guys do the math. And then the other ones would be the limited edition products. So for sugar cookie, one oh, I mean they did sell out. What am I talking about? I stop. They sold out, okay? I'm sorry if I've offended you, Mish Beauty. So the limited editions one did sell out. So warm sugar cookie is $25, and I ended up paying $18.75 per container. I got 3 containers, so it ended up being $56.25 total for the warm sugar cookie, and then peaches and cream was $18.75 as well, which the original price for that one is the same, which is $25. So altogether, I was able, I don't know how much the discount was. I'm not even going to, calculate that. Maybe I'll put it on the screen for you. But total, I ended up paying $125.70 plus $7.99 shipping. So I ended up paying a total of $133.69 for everything that I just showed you here from Mish Beauty, which wasn't bad, right? Because that's a lot of items for that cost. So the last thing I ended up getting is a product that I have been wanting to try for some time now, because I tried another product from the brand that I actually really liked, and I kept saying that I wanted to try it. So far, only one person mentioned that they did not like it, but everybody else has nothing but good things to say about it. So what I'm talking about is the Honey and Sage Dip Conditioner from Allicate Naturals. You guys know I tried the avocado cream moisture repairing mask, and I loved that one. So after that, I was just curious, and I figured, Black Friday would be the best time to kind of like get this and save. I ended up getting a 16 ounce. Now, thinking about it, I'm like, maybe this was stupid because I really don't know if my hair is going to like it or not. If I get 16 ounces of this and my hair doesn't like it, then I end up being stuck with it, So this may not be a good thing, but I already have it. It is what it is. I feel like I got a good deal from it. I ended up So I purchased this from Instagram directly. So the whole process went through Instagram. I don't know if you guys ever shopped through Instagram before. It's a pretty smooth process, and they offer you a discount if this is your first time. I don't think that really matters, but yes. So let me know if you've ever shopped through Instagram before. So Allocate Naturals had 40% off the day of Thanksgiving, which is when I was shopping. So they offered 40% off. The actual cost for Honey and Sage, the 16 ounce, is $27.99. $16.99 will get you an 8 ounce. So the original cost for this is $27.99. With the 40% discount, I ended up paying $16.79. And then I got free shipping as well, which I don't know if it was through Allocate or Instagram. It doesn't matter. So altogether, I ended up paying $15.16 for this, which I think is pretty good, and hopefully I actually like it. So all those products here, you probably will see me using, as the year goes by, within the next few months. I've already done a video with the warm sugar cookie. I'll link that for you down below if you want to see that again. It's been a while since I've used it. I feel like it's been a year or close to a year since I've used it. So I don't know if my hair is going to react the same. So if you want to see me use warm sugar cookie again, let me know. Expect to see videos with orange marmalade and all the other goodies that I got here. One product that I actually really wanted to get, I was not able to get it, was the shampoo from Kinky Tresses. So their moisturizing shampoo. I really wanted to get that because I ran out of it. That one was part of my product empties recently. And I told you guys I really love this shampoo. That's like one of my favorite shampoos. But I got there too late. Those things sold out like hotcakes, okay? When I got there, it was gone. And I feel like it's because they started their discount. I think they were doing 40%. Were they doing 40%? I don't even remember, but throughout the entire week of Thanksgiving, Kinky Tresses, they were doing like discounts pretty much the whole time. And silly me, I did not do it. I waited for Thanksgiving, and by the time I got there, it was sold out. So I missed out on that one. So that's that one product that I really wanted to get. I wasn't able to get, but those are all the goodies, all the stuff that I was able to get for, Black Friday. That's my Black Friday shopping haul. Altogether, I ended up spending $197.51. Is that true? Let's see. Yes, altogether, I only spent $197.51 for Black Friday, which I think is pretty good because I really wasn't planning on spending that much money. And I think this is a lot less than what I ended up spending last year as well. I don't even remember. I'll put a little comparison for you on the screen. Now, let me know, did you shop for Black Friday? What did you get? How much money did you spend? Do you like the discounts that you ended up getting? Share with me down in the comments. But this is my little stack right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any video suggestions, or if you want to say hi, leave me a comment down in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, you enjoy my content, but you are not yet subscribed, I would love to welcome you to the family. So hit that subscribe button down below. Ring the bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. In the meantime, I have tons of videos on the channel already, so I'll place some suggestions for you on the screen. Be sure you check them out. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me today. I will catch you in my next one.